Hi Hari, today we're going to draw a very simple scenery. So let's start the drawing from a far distance land in which we can see the lots of grass and trees and the outlines. As you can see that it doesn't take much time. So I'm going to draw that one, and I'm going to put three taller palm trees. This is the graphical presentation of that tree, which you can see from a far distance, and another two tall trees here. All right, and in this place you can see the plots of the fields and the hatches, lots of field and the river banks. All right, here in this point, so you can see the river banks. Now I'm going to draw a boat here. It's quite a pointy board and very longer. Okay, so the person there's are sitting here. All right, another guy also sitting here. The shade of the boat you can see on the water. So this is a very simplified nice drawing. Now when you put the color you can understand the whole things. For the trees and a far distance, let's put the green colors. You can see the dark green outlines in a far distance. And light green you can see in the middle. The plots of the paddy field you can see from the drawing. And a deeper color you can see on the river banks. Let's put the blue colors for the river. All right, let's make the board dark black. Alright, so this is a very simple drawing. You can put a sun here, and the sun shines like this. Make the borders with this color. Alright, so this is a nice drawing. I hope you like the video. Please follow the playlist, and you can have lots of options, so you can start your own choice and do the drawing. Thank you so much. Do the practice at home, and the drawing is going to be very good. And please subscribe the channel as you like it. You can share with your friends, family, do your own drawings and have fun. You really need to have patience, so patience comes from doing the drawings and practice. When it becomes better and better, then you can have lots of happiness and other stuffs, people like you. So thanks for watching. And this is the drawing I try to draw as simple as possible, and in our next videos we are going to bring more wonderful drawings. Thank you so much. Have a good day.